Small keyboards with no number pad will need preferences changed. Go to the input, open up your Blender preferences, emulate number pad, and if you don't have a 3-button mouse, you only have a touchpad, emulate 3-button mouse. Now your Student Max that we are using should work well. For the print toolbox for printing, 3D printing, type in print and make sure you leave the mesh 3D print toolbox ticked. If it's not ticked, tick it, check it. Okay. There are several functions that are very handy for you. When you want the toolbox, a 3D print toolbox, press N on your number pad, on your keypad, and it toggles the side menu. You can get access to a few other functions as well. If you accidentally hit the Z key on your tool instead of the X when you're trying to delete, you might not realize it and you switch things off. Just go back to the viewport display and switch it back on. That's the easiest way to do it when you're learning. Get used to the viewport display. T toggles the toolbox, so if you accidentally hit the T and all your tools disappear, then that's what it is. Swapping from object mode to edit mode can be speeded up, and just by clicking the tab key, that toggles from edit mode to object mode. Your selection mode, your different selection tools are the face selection tool, the line selection tool, and the vertices selection tool. All of these are used at different times. I normally work in face selection tool a lot, although vertices is used a lot as well. Happy blendering!